Are you in need of a snack, a midnight snack, lunch, maybe even breakfast? Well, I think I have the best option for you right here, peanut butter jelly sandwich. Today, we will be going over the materials you need to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich, the benefits of why you should eat a peanut butter jelly sandwich, and how you should make it. To start off with materials, obviously you need peanut butter, jelly, and bread. But these materials are also interchangeable. Like you could use like crunchy peanut butter, smooth. You could use grape jelly, strawberry jelly, or even wheat bread, or even just plain white bread. There's also optional materials such as English muffins. Some people prefer their peanut butter and jelly on a different type of bread, such as English muffin. Some people also like putting bananas on it for more nutritious value, and people even put mixed berries on top of it. Also, a healthier way to make the sandwich is to use whole grain bread, natural peanut butter, and mashed berries instead of just regular store-bought jelly. There are many benefits of why you should eat peanut butter and jelly sandwich. ESPN magazine has recently called peanut butter jelly sandwich the staple snack of the NBA. These athletes love the many values of the peanut butter and jelly sandwich, such as the 15 grams of protein per serving on the peanut butter jelly sandwich, 13 grams of plant-based unsaturated fats, and 5 grams of fiber. Peanut butter jelly sandwich is also a great meal for after workouts and recovery based on the protein that you get from the peanut butter. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches also save you plenty of time when you're trying to find a meal to have. It is very easy, and you can make it in just a short few minutes. It is also it's very cheap to make. It is, according to Food Facts, peanut butter jelly only costs up to 50 cents per sandwich. Now, let's get into how you make a peanut butter jelly sandwich. So, you got to put peanut butter on one slice and jelly on the other. So, we'll start with the peanut butter first. You could also toast the peanut butter jelly sandwich if you prefer that, which I like preferring to do that, but I didn't want to bring a toaster in. I also like putting bananas on, but I did not have any bananas at home. So after you put the peanut butter on, you got to put the jelly on. And I'm using Smucker's jelly. I'm using strawberry jelly because I prefer strawberry jelly over grape. So there's debate about how you should cut the sandwich. And I think the best way to cut your sandwich is into triangles instead of squares, because I just think it's easier to eat that way. But it is up to you. And just like that, you have a wonderful meal for you that you could eat at any time of the day and will fill you up for sure, especially after a workout, which that's when I prefer to eat the sandwich. Today, we have gone over the materials that you will need to eat a peanut butter jelly sandwich, the benefits of why you should start eating peanut butter jelly sandwiches, and how you should properly make it. Thank you.